What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and it is one of the best days of the week as far as me showing y'all how to make money. It is New Money Maker Mondays. Mondays aren't really good for anybody, but I try to bring you some light to it by bringing you a new site, a new way you can make money with new sites and app. In this particular video, it will be an app. It's called Coinout, and this is an app that you have to download because you're getting paid to just scan receipts. It doesn't matter where the receipt came from, how you paid for it, how much is on the receipt. It doesn't matter. You're going to get paid for every single receipt that you scan. All right? It is very, very good. This site, it was introduced on Shark Tank. If you're not familiar with Shark Tank, it's a TV show where basically entrepreneurs go to these millionaires and billionaires, and they try to get them to help them, build their business. This is a app. I remember watching the show when this app was introduced. And like, long story short, it's a really good app. It pays, and it is really easy to use. So I'm just going to show you real quick. The link to this app will be in the description, so you can sign up with it. Sign up with the link in the description. You will get a bonus. That's very important. So that way, you can actually get paid for every single receipt you scan. So download the link. Download from the link in the description on your phone or your tablet. It doesn't matter. I suggest you do it from your phone. That way you can always have it, because you always have your phone with you, but you might not always have your tablet. So it'd be very cool if you had it on your phone. I think you can have it on both. It just depends, but I prefer the phone. All right. Now you see here, I have 83 cents in my account. There is no minimum to cash out on this site. All right, no minimum. I actually cashed out a few days ago. I think it was like 48 cents that I cashed out, just trying to make sure it was legit, and I did get paid. Basically all you're doing is scanning receipts. Like I said, it doesn't matter where the receipt came from. It doesn't matter if it's a receipt, scan it. You get paid for every single receipt you will scan. The minimum you will make is a penny. I think the highest I've ever been paid for a receipt is like, I think 26 cents. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what determines how much they'll pay you, but like I said, just scan every single receipt because you're going to get paid something, at the very minimum a penny, and just keep on going. Let me show you some of my history. Let me show you, my history right here. Some of the receipts that I've scanned. You see I got 3 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents, 14 cents, 2 cents. You know what I'm saying? Review all receipts. It might have my my cash out that I had a while ago. You see what I'm saying? Like all of these, I haven't gotten a penny in a while. You know what I'm saying? Look, 5, 7. You know what I'm saying? So they're paying really good for receipts. You know what I'm saying? Every time I get a receipt, I just scan on it. That's it. That's all it is to it, y'all. Easy money. And right there, that's the 48 cents that I cash out. The gift card I got was Amazon. So if you want to cash out with Amazon, there is no minimum. They'll send it to you in like, I think a day or two it took for me to get it, but it wasn't long at all. But you see here all the receipts that I'm getting paid for, just scanning them. That's all it is. Easy money. Like, it doesn't matter where the place came from. Like I tell you, you got a receipt, scan it. You're going to get paid for it. You know what I'm saying? You see all the proof that I have here, just that easy. All right. So there isn't much to this app. Like, all you're doing is scanning receipts. The link will be in the description. Sign up. That way you'll get paid for every single receipt you scan. You see here again, my balance is 83 cents. I'm going to probably cash out with PayPal next time, get $10, because I feel like I'm really about to tick off with this. I've been using it a lot in the past couple weeks, and I'm going to continue to use it every single day now. Every time I get a receipt, scan it, because, it's going to really add up. And, like a lot of times when you go places, I was stuttering like crazy right there. But a lot of times you go places, you get a receipt, or sometimes you don't even want a receipt. You know what I'm saying? I went to go get gas the other day. I was at the cash register, and he was like, "Do you want a receipt?" And I was like, "Yeah." And I actually scanned that receipt on this app, and I got 12 cents. But if I would have told him no, I wouldn't have got 12 cents. It's not a lot, but, that continues to add up. You know what I'm saying? My whole channel, Every Penny Counts. It really does when you're making money, just different ways. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're cashing out every day. Some of the sites you'll make money fast. Some of them you'll make money a little slower. But all the money that you can get, it helps everything. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you go to a place and they ask you, do you want a receipt? Say yes, because this app is going to pay you for that receipt. Just take a picture of it. Make sure all the details as far as the store, the amount you paid, the date is clear. And they'll pay you for it. You know what I'm saying? I think the clearer it is, I think the more you get paid, because I've taken some pictures of receipts when I first started using this app, and they were taken kind of far away where you really couldn't determine what was the date and all that kind of stuff. And it just paid me a penny. But I realized in the last couple of weeks, when I really get close and really make sure that all the details are clear in the receipt, they're paying me, a lot more than a penny. Like you saw with the receipts that I showed you, like 5, 7, 12. They'll pay you, it varies. But like I said, every time you get a receipt, just scan it. That way you can just continue to build your money up. If you want to cash out with Amazon, there is no minimum. But if you want to do PayPal, there's $10 threshold that you got to get to in order to cash out. So it depends on what you want to do with it. But nonetheless, definitely use this app. You see here they have some offers where you can get cash back, even more money. Let me see more offers real quick. See what all they got in here. See, they got Postmates, they got Target, they got Walmart, they got eBay, Grubhub, iTunes. Lots of different places you can get cash back on. So it's more than just scanning receipts. That's what a lot of people use it for. But if you want to get cash back, go on these places. Click shop now. That'll show you how you're going to get your cash back. Just make sure you follow the details. So there is money in this app. I'm going to start getting, I didn't know they had this many cashback places. So I'm going to definitely start getting involved with some of these so I can make even more money on this app. And this is really good, man. Really good. You got to have it. You got to download it. Link is in the description. Sign up today. Get this easy money. Just scanning receipts and getting cash back from these places that it lists here. Easy money, y'all. Easy money. So get started today. And remember, every penny counts.